to fight.
So, welcome to today's podcast. So, this podcast is hosted by Amilo AI, and today we are here with Jagrati Kesavani. She is a wonderful personality and she is working in Google as a program manager, as well as she has traveled more than 40 countries. Okay, so let's hear from her journey as a program manager at Google. So, welcome Jagrati to the podcast.
Thank you.
So, there are a lot of confusion between project, product, and program management. Can you enlighten on this and tell me the main differences? What is that?
Sure, absolutely. Although all these three are very similar and have a bunch of skill sets that are overlapping amongst these roles, the roles in itself are not exactly the same, right? So let's first talk about project and program. So project management is a subset of program management. So program is the superset and project is a subset, right? So as a program manager, you're managing and coordinating multiple projects that lead to a specific strategic goal for your team or for your company, right? Whereas as a project manager, you're just maybe working or handling one project or maybe a couple of projects that may or may not be related with each other, right? So it's just a matter of scope in between project and program, right? Program is a collection of things. Now, in terms of the difference between product and program, right? So product managers define the what. So what needs to be built, what features should a product have. They will work with business, they will do all these researches, they will figure out what are the set of things that the customers will relate with, and not just that, by when should it get launched in the market. Will Diwali be a good time, or if you have a product like a refrigerator, or will something else will be a better time based on the several market parameters that are happening in our space, right? So that is what product managers do. They define the strategy, they define the what needs to be built, right? What should be the feature set of a product. Now when it comes to program, the program managers define the how, like once the strategy has been laid, once we know this needs to be built, now how will that be built? So they will break it down into a project plan or a plan, and then divide it into milestones, work with their engineering teams to make sure they are making progress. They will track it like I said, as a class monitor, like, hey, where are we on this? You said this date. If we don't do this, we will slip, which means the launch will go out of the window, right? So being on top of them, communicating the progress to leadership so that they are apprised and aware of what's happening. So and if the team is, let's say, blocked on something, unblocking that, just doing all of these things to make sure, like I said, that the product or the project is delivered in time. That is what a program manager will do, right? So that's the difference in terms of the what and the how.